Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best straight razor is probably one of the most satisfying ways to achieve a close, clean shave. This classic method, though requiring patience and practice, offers a unique grooming experience. Join me as we explore the world of straight razor shaving, covering everything from choosing the right razor to mastering the essential techniques for a smooth, irritation-free shave. Number 5. Utopia Care Professional Straight Razor. This razor is crafted from premium stainless steel, ensuring both durability and reliability. It's designed for professional use, but is also perfect for at-home grooming. This makes it a great gift for anyone. The razor features a comfortable metal grip and a flippable blade cover. This design allows for easy maneuvering and a close shave. Start with gentle strokes and maintain steady pressure. Reinvent your grooming routine with this essential tool, designed for the cleanest cuts. The matte finish and stainless steel body optimize the razor's longevity. It's built to last. This classically styled straight-edge barber razor is made of brass with a chrome finish. It offers a reliable and smooth shave every time. You'll love the feel and the results. For safe use, ensure the blade is securely locked within the safety walls and the cap is in place. Gently squeeze the protection cap before closing it for a tight grip. If the walls loosen, apply gentle pressure when placing the blade and lock the cap. What we like. This razor is built with durable stainless steel, ensuring it will last. The comfortable metal grip allows for easy maneuvering and a close shave. If you are looking for a razor that combines durability with ease of use, you should consider this one. What people say. The handle itself is solid metal and it feels very heavy and substantial in your hand. It's easy to control and it's very easy to change the blade, you just slide it in. The razor itself has a nice weight to it, and the black finish gives it a sleek look. Number 4. Equinox Straight Edge Razor with Derby Blades. Achieve a fine, clean shave with this razor. It offers precision trimming and effortless control, elevating your grooming from ordinary to exceptional. Maintain a sharp look with the included rust-proof, tarnish-free blades. This ensures a smooth, close shave, helping you start each day with confidence. Built with premium stainless steel, the razor and blades are made to last. The easy-to-open blade guard allows for quick swaps, keeping your shave sharp and your fingers safe. Engineered for comfort and stability, this straight-edge razor provides the perfect grip for a precise, barbershop finish. It eliminates awkward angles, delivering smooth, sharp results. Ensure the razor stays firmly in place. Open it up, place your ring finger on the back loop, index and middle fingers on top, and thumb near the blade. Then, squeeze the cap to secure it. What we like. This razor offers precision trimming and effortless control. It comes with rust-proof, tarnish-free single-edge blades. If you want a close shave with a comfortable grip, this is the one for you. What people say. I use it for touch-ups, beard, mustache line, and works well for that. Perfect weight and very comfortable in your hand. Solid blade razor, tight slot to get the blade in but it stays in place. Number 3. Facón Straight Razor Kit for Men. This straight razor is made of premium stainless steel, ensuring durability and smooth performance. It features an ergonomic handle, giving you superior control for a seamless and precise shave. Whether you're a professional or just starting, this kit delivers an effortless shave. The straight edge blade ensures sharpness, providing a smooth and clean result. The kit includes 100 straight razor blades, guaranteeing a clean cut every time. You can say goodbye to tugging and irritation, making it ideal for both barbers and personal grooming. This barber straight razor glides effortlessly, offering a close and irritation-free shave. It's perfect for men who demand sharp and precise results every single time they shave. Upgrade any man's routine with this straight razor kit. It's a must-have for barbers and grooming enthusiasts, making it an ideal gift for birthdays, Father's Day, or any special occasion. What we like. This straight razor features an ergonomic handle for superior control. The straight-edge razor blade ensures sharpness, making every shave seamless and precise. If you are a barber or someone who demands sharp results every time, you should choose this one. What people say. Been using it for a couple months now, works great once you get used to using a straight blade. Easy to switch out blades. Works great. Extremely sharp. Not for a beginner, unless you practice without a blade to get the feel of the shaver. Number 2. Facón Straight Razor Kit for Men. This stainless steel straight razor ensures durability and smooth performance. The ergonomic handle provides superior control, making every shave seamless and precise. Whether you're a pro or beginner, this kit delivers an effortless shave. The straight edge blade ensures sharpness, making it perfect for smooth, clean shaves. This kit includes 100 straight razor blades for a clean cut every time. Say goodbye to tugging and irritation. It's ideal for barbers and personal grooming with precision and ease. This straight blade razor glides effortlessly for a close, irritation-free shave. It's perfect for men who demand sharp results every time. Upgrade any man's routine with this straight razor kit. It's a must-have for barbers and enthusiasts. This is ideal for birthdays, Father's Day, and quality grooming. What we like. This straight razor features an ergonomic handle for superior control. The straight edge razor blade ensures sharpness, making every shave seamless and precise. If you are a barber or someone who demands sharp results every time, you should choose this one. What people say. Came with a bunch of super sharp blades. No rust, reliable and good weight. Easy to assemble the razor into the handle. Comes with directions as well. Number 1. Viking Revolution Straight Edge Razor Kit. This straight razor kit is designed for a close and precise shave. It's perfect for achieving a smooth, irritation-free experience. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel, this razor is built for durability. It's designed to be strong, safe, and long-lasting, ensuring it will be a part of your grooming routine for a long time. The straight razor blades provide an incredibly smooth and close shave. This leaves your skin feeling refreshed and without any irritation. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip and makes maneuvering easy. This allows for a perfect shave every time, giving you full control. It's perfect for edging and maintaining clean, crisp lines around your hairline. This helps you achieve a sharp and well-groomed look. The manufacturer is so confident that you'll love this safety razor. If you're not completely satisfied, simply contact them, and they'll take care of it. What we like. This straight razor is made with high-quality materials, making it strong and lasting. The straight razor blades provide a smooth and close shave, leaving the skin without any irritation. If you like a comfortable grip and precise shave, you should consider it. What people say. From a product standpoint, it is a well-made handle and the blades are plenty sharp. The handle is comfortable, ergonomic and a good weight. The blades are amazing and the razor is nice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.